Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to update or edit bits number in your PDF file using PDF element. This is my PDF file. Let's see this bits number. This is reverse bits number. Now I edit this bits number. Click on this edit option. Now select here more option. And this is bits number option. Click here and see this update bits number. Click here. First I'll use this bits number reverse option and see this. Also I'll use this bits number settings and also I'll use this bits number rotation 0 and see this, and bits number position modulation increase and see this, and you can see this bits number opacity. Also you can add custom pages, specific page range. I select all pages and finally select OK. Also you can see bits number position and see this. This position we will also change. Now finally select apply and see this. Our bits number now updated. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save it in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.